Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm doing an unboxing and review of the Onikuma gaming headset K6. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so here we have the gaming headset itself. I'm just going to show you around the box. Here's the design of it. Pretty slick. Maybe just turn the light on so you can see it better. Yeah. So yeah, here it is. Onikuma gaming headset K6 on the side. Just got some specifications. You guys can read those if it would focus. There we go. I don't know what those numbers mean, but if you guys do, just let me know. On the other side, just shows you the cables it comes with. Comes with just a single 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. That's the one with the 3 lines, so it has the mic built in, and it has a separate USB to power the lights on it. And it also comes with a splitter if you want to plug this into your PC. If it has the separate microphone and the separate headphone jack. And on the back, not much on this side, just showing it has an adjustable headband. And yeah, let's get right into this thing. This thing retails for around $27.99, I believe. If you guys want to go pick it up, I will leave the link in the description. Just go use that link. And if you do, it is an affiliate link, so I will earn some commission on that. So if you want to support the channel, make sure to use that link down below and buy something off Amazon. So yeah, here it is. Just gonna slide this out. Oh, maybe this way. Just like that. Okay. Got the manual right here. I'm not gonna read this because it's pretty self-explanatory how to use a headset. I just want to read that. I don't know. Whatever, useless. Okay, so here's the headset itself. Or, other way. Ooh, those are really soft. So here's the headset itself. Very minimalistic design. And I believe you can change the color on the... Okay, so it is a flexible mic, that's good. I believe you can change the color on the outside. I'm not sure how, probably have to read it in the manual, but let me just get this plastic off. Oh, it is adjustable, and that is metal, so it's high quality. That's how you know it's high quality, guys. Just take this off. And here is the headset itself. I'm gonna listen to some music and some other stuff, and I'll let you guys know how the quality is. Okay guys, this is a quick mic test for the headset. This is what it's normally going to sound like. And yeah, just you can be the judge of how this sounds compared to my phone microphone. I currently have this plugged into my laptop, so yeah. Also, if you're watching right now, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And yeah, bye. Okay, so guys, I just got some time being able to listen to some music, also plugging them in my laptop, which you previously just heard. You could get a sense for the mic quality. Sounds pretty clear, but I wouldn't equate this to a recording microphone or like a separate USB microphone that you'd buy for top-notch quality. I'd say this is good enough for gaming, and if you just want to record voiceovers and stuff or videos, it's also good enough for that. I wouldn't say it's too tinny, but I wouldn't say it's crystal clear. Out of 10, I'd probably give it a 7, so keep that in mind. Overall comfort, pretty insane, honestly. The amount of padding on this is it's just crazy. Your head will not feel uncomfortable at all. It feels really, really good. It's a good fit on the head. It's not wobbling or anything. It's pretty tight, and that combined with the giant ear cuffs makes this a really nice experience. Kind of isolates the sound in there, and also comes with tons of padding on the top, so that's a good thing. Lighting effects, awesome. You can't really see it while you're gaming, but other people can. But yeah, overall, love the lighting. One downside I'd probably say is just that the headset's a little big, a little chunky, just because the giant ear cup. So if you want something a little more lightweight and portable, maybe you go for something else. But I have a feeling these are going to be great for like games that require you to hear like specific sounds, like CS:GO, or maybe Call of Duty or Overwatch or stuff like that. Okay, so guys, that's going to be it for my review of this headset. Overall, great quality, highly recommend it. Checks the boxes on what a gaming headset should be like. Comfort, mic quality, and overall sound quality. And also this works with Xbox, PS4, well, Xbox One, PS4, PC. I'm pretty sure this works for like almost everything, just because it has a universal jack right here with the 3 lines. So just to confirm, use of the mic on that. So yeah, highly recommend this. If you guys want to go pick this up and you're interested in a gaming headset, I'll leave the link down below. You can use those Amazon links to support the channel and help me make better quality videos. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a like. Peace.
Torn on for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.